What's going on, guys? So if you've ever browsed YouTube, you'd know that there's videos of bad BMW drivers, bad Audi drivers, worst Mercedes crashes, worst Ford crashes, stuff like that. And today I thought, why not make a compilation of all the Saab crashes that I can find, because I love Saab, most of you guys love Saab, so why not? It might be fun. Might be a little sad to see some of these, so if you guys do shed a tear, make sure to drop a like on this video. But all the credit for all the videos will be linked down below in the description. So if you want to see the full video, or if you want to, I don't know, go comment on one of those videos or something, I don't know. I just want to give credit for all the videos. So all the links will be down in the description below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started.
Må du filma meg?
Ja, man, ta det.
Well, that's the end of that car. I just flipped over the guardrail. I got hit by a yellow Honda S2000. I might die, I'm a little bit bloody. Whew.
So, let's see what happens when we drop a 1980 Saab 900 from the same height.
God, I really wouldn't have believed that.
I would not have believed that in a million years.
Look at that. And I think you would probably be able to get out as well.
That's stunning.
Охуенно.
Да. Есть контакт. Есть контакт.
And Route 6 when a car ran a red light sliding under a tractor trailer. It was dragged all the way here where that truck finally came to a stop, and police say it's nothing short of a miracle that everyone survived. Crushed and compacted under a tractor trailer, but police tell us the man and child that were inside this car are expected to be okay.
It's incredible. Yeah, it looks like a fatality, but fortunately there isn't one.
Somerset Police Chief George McNeil says the black car ran a red light, skidding under this tractor trailer.
I hear this.
When he realized something was very wrong.
I just got out and I was just hoping everybody was okay, you know, just praying that guy and that little girl was okay. If he's alive, the Lord was definitely with him.